So surface area and volume of a right prism. Right prism. So in this case, the example I have up here, you can call it a box. It's a right rectangular prism. The word right because it has 90-degree angles, like right here. The height makes 90-degree angles with the base. So the calculations we're going to do, in this case, we have a rectangular base, but this could apply to if you have a triangular base, a hexagon base, any sort of polygon base. So what we're going to calculate first is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area. So lateral surface area is talking about just the area of the sides. The area of the sides. So for this example, I'll put a little L on the sides. The way that this is sitting, the bottom would be the base, so we've got the L I put on one side, L there, and then there's going to be, on this side there's an L, and then right here where you can't see, there's an L if this was three-dimensional. So 4 sides. The quickest way to come up with this, the formula, lateral surface area, is to do the perimeter times the height. Because we're going around, 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 and then by multiplying by the height, we're giving it this, filling in the area of each side. So over to the side, I'm going to, for this example, just jot down what the perimeter is. So I'll do twice the length plus twice the width. I mean, I could just add around the 4 sides, but I'll do 2 times 8.625 plus 2 times 3.75 to get the perimeter around that rectangle. So what you should be getting right now is 24.75. 24.75. So right now we're still in just inches, no dimension to it. So just inches at this point. So when I take my perimeter, so for this example, maybe I'll move that over a little. For this example, my lateral surface area is going to be 24.75 inches times the height of 4.125 inches. Let's see, let's move this a little. Inches. So when I multiply those together, I get 102. Let's say 0.9, and I'm doing inches times inches, so now I'm at square inches, or inches squared. So just to cover the sides, 102.09 square inches. Okay, so next if we do the total surface area, so total surface area means all of the sides. In this case, whenever it's a rectangular prism, we would have 6 sides. So one way to calculate this, the total surface area, is to take, well, if I just take my lateral surface area and then I add twice the area of the bases. So sometimes capital B is used to show the area of the base, which this is the same as saying I'm going to take the perimeter times the height like I just did, plus 2 times the area of the base. Okay, so again, kind of up here, I'm going to figure out the area of the base to be 8.625 times 3.75. So the area of the base, 8.625 times 3.75 is 32.34 about. Okay, and right now I'm at inches squared, square inches, because I just did inches times inches. Okay, so for this example, I could take that lateral surface area I just did, 102.09, and add on 2 times the area of the base. 2 times 32.34. And notice, this is inches squared, this is inches squared. So I'm still doing an area, so I'm still going to get inches squared for my answer. So when I double this 32.34, add 102.09, should be getting about 166.78 inches squared. Okay, now last, let's get our volume. So volume is like filling. So like filling in the shape. How much space does it take up? So to do this, to get the volume, what we do is we take the area of the base. So let me kind of cover the top. So think of it like here's the area of the base, and if you multiply by the height, it's like we're giving it this volume by filling it in. So to calculate the volume, I can always take the area of the base times the height. So in my example, I'll take that 32.34 we had already used, inches squared, and multiply by the 4.125 inches. So 32.34 times 4.125, I'm getting 133.4 inches squared times inches is going to be inches cubed. Okay, so whenever it's volume, we're always going to end up with cubic inches.